Hello, Mr. Sulu Ramakrishna. Basically, this is the short video, and this all are basically the questions. Basically, so one of the person told that, yeah, Sunil basically America isn't that basically American government connected, and they basically asked the question, are you sure basically? Because we are basically going to ask to the software companies basically, who actually not given you the job basically, because you should basically get the good job basically. Because this thing basically, I think not a single software company basically might be knowing. Even basically the Microsoft basically might be thinking what actually he is telling basically. He might be thinking actually what I have basically. Because if condition in software company basically, if you are developing any software, what are the things required? Objects, user controls basically, that are text box, combo box, radio buttons, then the text boxes, then the text editors, buttons. Other than this basically, nothing is basically for the display purpose basically. That basically they are taking from the 1000 cities. Because why basically they are getting it? Because the subscription amount basically they are paying it, and the tax amount basically they are paying. After that basically what Microsoft basically might be thinking, what actually then basically we have basically. We were basically thinking basically these all are our thing basically. These all are basically our properties basically. We basically Microsoft basically was thinking like this. Even basically the American government told that basically, yeah, Sunil, basically if we basically don't know this everything basically, but we can ask to the software companies basically. Then they basically ask the software companies, and in America basically the software companies are Oracle is there, SAP is there, old companies like Mainframe, Java, this all group basically connected, and then they basically told that basically this thing basically we are listening newly basically. These all are the new topic basically which you are talking basically. We basically never thought this basically. Then one of the person told, if by chance basically, but mostly this will not happen. But then also basically, by chance basically the text box got disappeared. Due to that 1000 city basically got some problem. Then basically what are the things basically going to happen? Because you basically don't know that text box is created from that 1000 cities, and you are paying the subscription amount basically. Even the American government told that basically, भाई हमको भी नहीं पता यार, we also don't know this thing basically. We all are basically dependent on the software companies like Microsoft, SAP, Java, who basically are the strength of American. And one of the person basically who invested into the American president, he got tense. So in next video basically we are going to see.